Hey there, fellow Airbnb hosts. Want to make sure your guests leave 5-star reviews? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing the top 15 mistakes hosts make and how to dodge them. Ready? Let's jump in. Mistake number 1. Inaccurate listings. Showing outdated photos or puffing up descriptions, big mistake. Always be honest about what you're offering. Guests hate surprises, especially bad ones. Next up, mistake number 2. Poor communication. Slow responses, not cool. Quick replies can make the difference between a booking and a pass. Stay connected and be proactive. Mistake 3. Inadequate cleaning. A dirty space is a deal breaker. Whether you hire pros or do it yourself, make sure every corner shines. Your reviews will thank you. Mistake 4. Overpricing. Got a fantastic place but charging too much? You might scare guests away. Competitive pricing keeps your calendar busy and your wallet happy. Mistake 5. Underpreparedness. Basics matter. Stock up on toiletries, linens, and kitchen essentials. Don't leave your guests wanting. Mistake 6. Ignoring local laws. Stay informed. Know your local regulations, taxes, and licensing requirements. It's better to be safe than sorry. Mistake 7. Lack of personal touch. Small gestures like a welcome note or local treats can transform a good stay into a great one. It's the little things that count. Mistake 8. Inflexible check-in/checkout. Be accommodating. A little flexibility can go a long way in reducing your guests' travel stress. Mistake 9. Unclear instructions. Clear, simple instructions for Wi-Fi, appliances, and local tips can make your guest stay seamless. No one likes feeling lost. Mistake 10. Neglecting maintenance. Got a leaky faucet or a broken light? Fix it fast. A well-maintained property keeps guests happy and prevents bigger headaches. Mistake 11. Overlooking safety. Safety first, always. Ensure smoke detectors, first aid kits, and emergency instructions are in place. It's non-negotiable. Mistake 12. Not managing expectations. Be upfront about noise levels, neighborhood quirks, or any ongoing construction. Transparency builds trust and avoids disappointment. Mistake 13. Inadequate insurance. Protect yourself with proper insurance coverage. It's essential for your peace of mind and financial security. Mistake 14. Ignoring feedback. Listen to your guests. Feedback is invaluable. Use it to improve your property and service. And lastly, mistake 15. Overcomplicating bookings. Keep it simple and easy for guests to book. A smooth process encourages more reservations. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be on your way to 5-star success. Ready to become a top-rated Airbnb host? Start today and watch your bookings soar. Don't forget to follow for more tips. #Airbnb8host #vacation rental tips. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.